this video I am once again going to run Pocket Option Auto Trader on a small time frame, and I will this time show better the strategy that I'm using before I set up the speed, so you clearly see the settings that I'm using in this video. If you find this type of videos interesting, make sure you subscribe to the channel, turn the bell notification on so you never lose a video just like this one. Also, if you want to run the same binary option robot that you see I'm using in this video, just use the links that you find below the video. You find one for Chrome extension if you want to run on a desktop or on iPhone, or you find one for cell phone Android that is in Google Play Store. Both is one click install. So without further ado, let's start up the video and let's see how we do in this video.
Hey, yeah, let's see how you do under pressure with my pocket option. Boom. Yeah. I've been wanting this shit forever. I've been in the field with whatever they throw at me, brush it off, pick myself up. Moving on to the better. Okay, yeah. Ain't no errors, baby, it's a new era. I wake up early feeling rich like me, the alpha when I get to the paper, boy. Stay here with me, you know that I got it. Come with me, let's take a trip to the island. We up in the jet, we'll do more than just fly on it. Stand on that hill, you gon' die on it. Boom. Baby, I'm not one of them, you should try on it. Miss me with all that, I'm on to the next. Fuck this up, I send you back to your old mentor. Buckle up with that, as big as it gets. Hey, let's see how you do under pressure. Yeah, let's see how you do under pressure. Let's go. Give them a name to remember. Okay. Let's see how you do under pressure. Yeah, let's see how you do under pressure. Let's go. A moment can live on forever. Okay. Oh shit, they done let me shoot a whole clip. Firepower in this coalition. We just turned the field into a demolition. It was desolate, but I had premonition. I was training for war, every exhibition, every extra mission. Every enemy listen and get offside, I got bad intentions. Making right every wrong, and I'm back with a vengeance. I show you the road, piece of my time, I can show you the coast. Up in the shots that they wanna just fuck, if you know that you know. Sweet it up, mama, whole team do the same. Don't you forget who created the game. I'm ready for war, I was born with a blade. This is the trend of this game. Let's see how you do under pressure. Yeah, let's see how you do under pressure. Let's go. Give them a name to remember. Okay.
So there we have it. We got one amazing result this time also. We got 15 wins, 9 losses, and a win rate of 63%. Win rate of 63% is amazing on a small time frame. And as you can see, we made $1,692 in a matter of few minutes. So once again, if you like this type of videos, make sure you subscribe to the channel so you never lose a video just like this one. Also, you find a link below the video if you want to test out these bots yourself. They are completely for free. So with that, have an amazing day.